Hello and welcome to Company Interiors. My name's Nick Clarke, and in today's video we are going to be making a moss wall on pre-made panels. Now this is a client's commission. We've received some drawings. I'm going to put this on a CAD system so you can see how we actually do the layout. We've taken the wall of the kitchen and we've broken those into panels that we will pre-make here in the workshop. I'm going to show you how we do it from start to finish, and we're then going to take these panels to site. I'll follow this on the video as well towards the end, so please try and watch to the end, where we're then going to show you the finished moss wall in the client's kitchen. So without further ado, let's crack on and show you how we do this. Now, also, we have a new course coming out, which I'm going to link in the description below with some contact details. But if there's anything you want to know about doing a course on moss wall design and biophilic design, put some notes in the comments below so I can reply to you as to what sort of thing you're interested in. So how do we go about this? So we're going to start first of all with the product. Now these are a mixture of bun moss and flat moss is what the client is looking for. The client has also decided that they want forest green as the colour, and the forest green as opposed to the light green is the difference in the product. So we have bun moss in light green, we have bun moss in forest green. So the flat moss, which is the backing, is forest green, matches the bun moss, or you can highlight that with a lighter green colour. Some of the designs, of course, will be purely bun moss only, or maybe flat moss only. We also have pre-made reindeer moss panels already pre-done, and that can just go straight onto the wall. That is similar. I'll put all the product links in the description so you can take a look. So we start with a bulk box. So a bulk box is the larger quantities. This is bun moss in a bulk box, which will cover around 10 square feet. So 10 square feet of surface area is about 1.8 square meters. So that's a bulk box. You can buy smaller boxes, but today our design is about 4 square meters. So we're going to be getting through some product here. Then we have flat moss. So the flat moss, as it comes in a box, is the flat moss or sheet moss comes in much larger sections. A large box like this covers 20 square feet. I think that is about 3 square meters. So 20 square feet for the flat moss. So the design that we're coming out with today is a mixture of the bun moss and the flat moss. So the bun moss sections themselves, when they come out of the box, some have got slightly flatter sections, some are more rounded. Now clearly what we're going to want to do, although the bun moss will sit proud of the flat moss on the moss wall, we might well want to be taking some of the sections of the bun moss off so it sits slightly flatter. Although it is proud, we want that to set out. So these panels are going to join. We have a top section, then we have another panel running underneath, and then we have 2 side sections. So I'm going to lay this out how I want to put it together, and then the adhesive that we're going to use is a solvent-free pink grip SE adhesive, which comes with an application gun, and we literally will apply that. You'll see that in a minute as I start to apply the product to the panels. The panels are 3.6mm plywood, simply because we can then take them to site and easily put them on the wall, as opposed to applying the moss straight to the ply on the wall, which is also an option, but Because we're going to be delivering this to the customer's site, I'll show you this in the video, this is going to be the easiest way to do it.